Hello everyone, welcome back our Veterans channel. Protect your investment. This 2 minutes guide shows how simple care keeps your golf cart battery running stronger and longer. Let's start with the daily habits. Before you ride, take a quick glance. Ensure all cable connections are tight and secure, with no frayed wires or exposed terminals. This is your first line of defense. How you charge is crucial. While the battery can safely discharge to 40 volts, for optimal longevity, we recommend plugging in when the voltage gets to about 45 volts. Try to recharge within 12 hours after use. Use a compatible charger. Your battery handles up to 55 ampere continuous charging, while brief peaks up to 100 ampere. Your battery has a built-in brain. This touchscreen is your command center. Check your state of charge. We recommend keeping it between 20% and 90% for daily use. Monitor the temperature. It operates from -20 Celsius to 60 Celsius. You can even track cycle counts, a testament to its 4,000 plus cycle lifespan. Storing your cart for the winter, proper battery prep is key. First, charge it to about 60% SOC before disconnecting. Clean the case and ensure it's dry. Store in a cool, dry place, away from chemicals. Check the voltage every 3 months. If it drops below 30% SOC, give it a top-up charge. Following these simple steps will ensure your Veter battery delivers reliable power, round after round, season after season. Ride with confidence.